Here's a 2012 Ford Econoline van. Just finished the remote start Viper. Lock, unlock, remote start, full security. Honks the horn, siren. Also in this van, it comes with the manual door locks and manual windows. We have put in the actuators in each one of the doors, so now when we lock it, it'll lock the doors, unlocks them. Got the alarm all nice and neat, everything's tied up. Hit the orange button one time, ignition kicks in, and the engine cranks. All we have left to do is to put the door panels back together. Make it all nice and neat, just like we always do. Clean, professional installs available here at Innovative Car Sound. Manual to power door locks. Viper remote start. This is a 2012 Ford Econoline van. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one.